Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make our pressed pottery craft using the Model Magic. So the first thing you're going to do is make a little pinch pot. If you don't remember how to do this or never got to do it in kindergarten or whenever they teach kids to do this, you just are going to roll a little ball out of the Model Magic. And this stuff's great because it's air dry. You don't have to do anything else to it. You don't have to put it in the oven or anything. So just give it a nice, mush it up, get it warm. So just roll it into a ball. And you put your thumbs in and pinch. And you can make this however you want. You can shape it using a spoon or another bowl in your house. You can try different things with it. We're going to be putting the pressed flowers in a little bit. And you can make your own pressed flowers. By pulling fresh flowers from your garden or buying them fresh, and you can put them in a book and press them between two pieces of newspaper or tissue paper and just leave it for 2 weeks, and then you'll have some of your own pressed flowers. It's also a nice way to collect and see the things you've grown over time in your garden, or maybe you got a gift of flowers and you want to save a little piece to remember them. And then you take when you get your bowl the shape you like, you can take these and place them in your own design. If you didn't get enough flowers that you love in your kit for some reason, I do have more if you want to drop by the library and see if I have some others you'd like. Not a lot, but a few. And then, or you could press your own and then wait to do this in 2 weeks. And you just give them a gentle little push into the clay. We're gonna put the Mod Podge over top to hold it in place. So I put my flowers in, pretty pleased with my design. Just kind of luck, just kind of what I grabbed. And then you have a small cup of this in your kit, and I'm just gonna use it out of the bottle. And again, make sure you're doing this on the wax paper so you don't get this on your table. If you do get this on something, it does wash off pretty good, but try to do it sooner than later. Just a little bit will go a long way, and this part's a little tricky, but I'm sure you'll manage. And then just give it a little dab all over. This is going to dry clear. The Mod Podge looks a little like it's covering up your flowers, but it won't. It will dry nice and clear. Kind of fun, right? I'm having fun. And then you don't need to put it on the bottom, but you might want to give it on the sides, or you might want to come back later and do it on the bottom if you just want like a little extra, but it should be fine, because like I said, don't put food in it. Not really made for that. But wonderful place to hold jewelry or small soaps. Okay, so I'm just finishing up here. Just make sure I get a nice even as I can. It doesn't have to be, this is our first time at the craft too, so you can always try it again. Like I said, these materials are pretty affordable. You can press your own flowers. You can buy flowers already pressed from any craft store or online. Probably your biggest expense would be your own bottle of Mod Podge, but even that's only less than $10. And again, the Model Magic, so many fun little projects you can do. I have a book here at the library you can check out that's about air-dried clay pottery projects. No heating up required, so anybody can do it. And now we will leave this sit for at least a day. I would give it a couple days just in case. And then it's ready, and you can either place it out in your home or you can gift it to make a great gift, I think.